Have you ever stopped to wonder what causes the sun to seemingly disappear from the sky during the day? It's a phenomenon that's as captivating as it is mysterious, known as an eclipse. There are two types of eclipses that we experience here on Earth, solar and lunar. A solar eclipse, as the name suggests, involves our shining star, the sun. This happens when the moon crosses in front of the sun, blocking it out and casting a shadow on Earth. From our perspective, it appears as though the sun has disappeared, even if for a short while. On the other hand, a lunar eclipse occurs when Earth finds itself between the sun and the moon. In this arrangement, Earth's shadow falls on the moon, causing it to darken and often take on a reddish color. It's a spectacle that has been observed and recorded by countless civilizations throughout history. These celestial events, while fascinating, are not everyday occurrences. They are rare, and their infrequency only adds to their allure. Eclipses have inspired awe and wonder across cultures and ages. Ancient civilizations often attributed them to divine beings or supernatural occurrences, and while we now understand the science behind them, they continue to hold a sense of wonderment and intrigue. It's a dance of cosmic bodies, a testament to the precision and predictability of our universe. And despite the rarity of these events, we can predict them with remarkable accuracy. The paths of the sun, moon, and Earth are so well known to us that we can anticipate when these alignments will occur. So why are we talking about eclipses now? Well, it just so happens that there's an eclipse on the horizon. Yes, that's right. Despite their rarity, eclipses are predictable, and there's one coming up soon. So keep your calendars marked and your eyes on the sky, because we're in for a celestial treat. Eclipses are more than just celestial phenomena. They're a treasure trove of interesting facts. Let's dive right in. Did you know that eclipses have played a pivotal role in scientific discovery? For example, it was the total solar eclipse of 1919 that provided the first experimental proof of Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. Observations made during the eclipse confirmed that light from stars was indeed deflected when it passed close to the sun. This was exactly what Einstein's theory predicted, showing us that the universe was even more fascinating than we'd imagined. Now, let's talk about speed. The shadow of a solar eclipse, also known as the umbra, moves at an incredibly fast pace. This shadow can zip across the Earth's surface at speeds of up to 2,400 miles per hour. That's faster than any commercial jet. It's this rapid movement that gives the eerie illusion of the day turning into night in just a matter of minutes. Speaking of night, a total solar eclipse can make the day as dark as the night. This is when the moon completely covers the sun, leaving only the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, visible. It's a sight to behold and something that many people travel the world to witness. Now let's look back at the last two eclipses. The one in 2022 was unique because it was an annular solar eclipse, also known as a ring of fire eclipse. This occurs when the moon is too far from the Earth to completely cover the sun, leaving a bright ring visible. And the one before it in 2021 was a total lunar eclipse, where the moon turned a stunning shade of red, often referred to as a blood moon. Eclipses are truly fascinating, aren't they? But what can we expect from the one that's just around the corner? We've looked at the past, now let's turn our eyes to the future, to the upcoming eclipse. This celestial event we're all eagerly waiting for is a solar eclipse. It's when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow on Earth and momentarily turning day into a twilight spectacle. And the best part? It's just around the corner. This particular solar eclipse is set to occur on the 8th of April, 2024. The best seats in the house for this event will be in the Western Hemisphere, so if you're residing in North or South America, you're in for a treat. Now, what makes this eclipse worth all the buzz? Well, it's a total solar eclipse, the most dramatic of its kind. For a few precious minutes, the moon will completely cover the sun, and the day will turn into night. A sight that can give you chills. But that's not all. This eclipse is also unique because it's happening during the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. So, while the sun is hidden, we might also get to see some shooting stars. It's like a double feature in the sky. So grab your eclipse glasses, find a comfortable spot, and prepare for an unforgettable cosmic show. Mark your calendars because this is an event you won't want to miss. But remember, as exciting as an eclipse is, safety should always come first. The sun, our closest star, is a powerhouse of energy, constantly flinging light and heat our way. Normally, we can't look directly at it because its brightness can damage our eyes. During a solar eclipse, the moon slides between us and the sun, casting a shadow on Earth. But even when the sun is mostly covered, staring at it can still be harmful. Why? Well, the sun emits ultraviolet light, and this type of light can burn the retinas in our eyes, leading to permanent damage or even blindness. It's a condition known as solar retinopathy, and it's no joke. This is why it's crucial to protect your eyes when watching a solar eclipse. So how do we safely watch this celestial event? One option is to use eclipse glasses. These aren't your run-of-the-mill sunglasses. They're specially designed to block out harmful ultraviolet and infrared light. Make sure they're certified and check them for scratches or damage before use. Another safe method is to use a pinhole projector. This DIY device allows you to view the eclipse indirectly. It's as simple as poking a small hole in a piece of cardboard and watching the sun's image projected onto another surface. With the right precautions, you can enjoy the upcoming eclipse to the fullest. So get ready, because the sky is about to put on a show. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching Russell's Loving Life.